Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. My name is Lori, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today I have 3 beautiful, easy to make rustic farmhouse DIYs using Dollar Tree items. You don't want to miss out on this one, so grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I have a wooden 3D pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. I'll remove the hanger and the bow. I'll stain the bottom part of the pumpkin and the stem with the antique wax from Waverly. I have a piece of crafting paper that looks like rustic blue wood that I had on hand. I'll place it over the 3D pieces and I'll use my finger to indent the shape onto the paper, and then I'll cut it out. I'll brush Mod Podge on top of the pumpkin pieces and then place the crafting paper on top. I'll use my sanding block and knife to remove any excess paper from the pumpkin, and this will give it a really nice, smoother edge. Hey everyone! Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to consider and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified when I upload any new videos. And you definitely don't want to miss out on my fall series. And if you can give me thumbs up by clicking the like button, this really helps my channel to continue to grow and be recognized. And leave me a comment down below on which DIY you like the most, or just to say hello. I have some natural wood beads from Amazon. I think they are 14mm in size. I'll glue the beads around the 3D pieces on the stain part. It took a while to glue all the beads on, but the result at the end was exactly how I imagined it would be. I have a package of the faux leather words from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use the word grateful and glue it on the beads in the center of the pumpkin. I'll take some twine and wrap it around the stem of the pumpkin and then make a hanger. And to finish this DIY, I'll make a simple bow by wrapping some twine several times around my hand. I'll wrap a piece of twine in the center and tie it tightly. I'll glue the twine bow on the stem of the pumpkin. This grateful pumpkin did take a while to make, but it was also very easy to do. I love how this rustic pumpkin turned out, and I am so grateful I got to share it with you. For this DIY, I have a wood palette pumpkin and blue vinyl paper from the Dollar Tree. I'll use my knife to cut out the shape of the pumpkin on the vinyl. I'll remove the back of the vinyl and place it on the pumpkin. I'll take a sanding block and sand the excess vinyl off of the pumpkin. I'll use my knife to remove the vinyl in between the wood slots. I'll paint the stem off the pumpkin with the antique wax from Waverly. I have a metal Happy Fall pumpkin sign from the Dollar Tree. I love the colors on this sign. I'll remove the hanger and paint the stem and around the edges of the pumpkin with the antique wax from Waverly. I'll brush some antique wax along the edges of the wood pumpkin to give it a rustic look. I'll glue 2 tumbling blocks from the Dollar Tree on the pumpkin. I'll put some E6000 on top of the tumbling blocks along with some hot glue. This will secure the metal pumpkin when I place it on top. I'll take some natural color raffia and make a simple bow. I'll glue the bow on the blue pumpkin just above the metal pumpkin. And And to finish this DIY, I'll take the long pieces of raffia and place them in behind the metal pumpkin. This fall pumpkin turned out adorable. I love the simple rustic look it has. It was easy to make and the colors complement each other perfectly. This definitely goes on my favorite list of pumpkin DIYs. For this DIY, I have a palette wood pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. I'll remove the hanger and stain the pumpkin with the antique wax from Waverly. I bought a package of pumpkin patch napkins at the Christmas tree shop. I'll cut the sides of one of the napkins off and place it on the left side of the pumpkin. I'll start at the top of the napkin and brush Mod Podge on the pumpkin, placing the napkin on top. I'll use the piece of napkin to lightly rub out some of the wrinkles, but more to make sure that the napkin is sealed to the pumpkin. I'll do the middle part and then the bottom until the napkin is fully applied on the pumpkin. Before the napkin dries on the pumpkin, I'll tear off the excess pieces and I'll use the sanding block to sand the edges of the napkin to give it more of a used look. I'll use my knife to remove any pieces of the napkin in between the wood slots. I have a mini half crate from the Dollar Tree. I did start painting it white for a different project and decided to do something else. I'll use it for this DIY instead. I'll paint it with the antique wax from Waverly and then I'll wipe off any excess. I'll take another pumpkin patch napkin. I'll cut the words "Pick your own 25 cents per pound" from it. I'll Mod Podge the words on the front of the crate and let it dry. Some baker's twine in the color brown from the Dollar Tree. I'll tie a piece around the stem of the pumpkin and wrap it around several times. I have some jute twine from Walmart. I'll take a piece and string it through the holes on the pumpkin, tying it in the back in a knot, and this will be the hanger. going to glue the crate on the right side of the pumpkin. And I'll fill it with some reindeer moss from the Dollar Tree. I have some hay bales from the Dollar Tree. I'll place 2 inside the crate. And to finish this DIY, I'll add 3 different mini pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue the mini pumpkins on the hay bales and the reindeer moss to keep them from falling out of the crate. This pumpkin patch pumpkin turned out better than expected. It's a beautiful, unique rustic farmhouse decor piece that can be hung on a wall or sit on a table. Either way, it will look charming for fall. I hope I've inspired you today with some new ideas for your fall decor this year. I want to say thank you again for being here, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day, and bye for now.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart.